Good morning, this is Graham Norris, and this is video 12 in the video series, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Today's principle 12, admit that you're wrong and fast and bold. You ever been in that moment when you realized, oh no, I've messed up. And instead of owning it, you danced around it like a hot lava. Yeah, we've all been there. And here's the secret sauce. Admit you're wrong and do it fast and loud. Carnegie didn't say tiptoe, he said admit it quickly and emphatically. Own it like a Broadway confession. One time I parked in a friend's driveway overnight without asking. Next morning, he's standing outside holding a note that says, "Please don't block me in." I had a meeting. Yikes. Now, I could have said, well, technically, you didn't say I couldn't, but instead, I went full confession. Bro, I totally blew it. That was inconsiderate and it won't happen again. His response? He smiled and said, all good, man, appreciate you owning it. Relationship saved, drama avoided, and guilt deleted. Here's why it works. When you say you're wrong, you disarm the other person. They don't need to attack. You've already surrendered with class. It flips the emotional script. They were ready to argue, and now they want to confront you. It's like emotional judo. You use their momentum to build connection. So next time you mess up, don't wait for them to confront you. Step up. Say it. Say it proud. We all know that one person who never admits they're wrong, even when they drive down the wrong way, down a one-way street. No, the sign was just unclear. Come on. Don't be a gaslighter. Be a grown-up. Own your stuff, then move on. People don't remember perfect people. They remember honest people. Here's a line that works wonders. You're right, and I was wrong. I see it now. Thank you for your patience. Short, sweet, powerful. Try it once. You'll be amazed how fast tension melts away. Gonna practice real-world people skills like this? Ones that save marriages, fix team conflicts, and help you sleep better at night. Then comment interested, and I'll send you a private Zoom invite to our daily weekday Zoom Mastermind. It's free, it's daily, and it's fun. No judgment, just real growth with real people. We don't just talk about change, we live it. So remember, if you're wrong, don't hide. Admit it quickly and emphatically. It builds respect faster than any excuse ever could. I'm Graham Norris, and in the next video, we're diving into Principle 13, begin in a friendly way. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. We'll see you there. And don't forget, comment interested to get your private invite. We'll see you soon.